Good boy. That took 3 or 4 weeks of getting Buddy to eat out of my hand, finally. Took a long time, but very blessed. Feel great. It was time well spent, yeah. Ah, that's cool. Here we go again. Come on, buddy. Yeah, he missed my hand. He got my finger on that one. Good thing he was gentle, man. Didn't bite down hard. That was cool. Oh, that's 2 times within 5 minutes, or like 3 minutes here. So, yeah, man. That's how I like to do my days. Drink coffee, go meet up with this little guy. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, here, you back again? There you go. Let's just give you the nuts this time. Nah, he's back. That's my little buddy. Yeah. Cool. So cool, man. Anyways, all you beautiful souls, you stay blessed and have a good day. I know I'm having a good day. I hope you guys are too. Cheers.